Chapter 11. Love versus hate. Who will win? Let's find out. Okay, I know what we're supposed to do. But how do we do it? That's a good question. Well, what do we love? I love to draw. Hey, me too. We all love to draw. I love to draw squids. I'll teach you how. First, you draw a triangle. Then you draw a face and some pointy legs. Wow! You're really good at drawing squids, Molly. Thanks. I practice all the time. ADHD loves to draw hearts. And I love my papa. So I'm gonna try him. Hey! Don't draw my face on his butt! Too late. Psst. Hey, mister. I like your new tattoos. Huh? They're so cute and darling and sweet. They make you look adorable. Munchie was so embarrassed he let go of Flippy and covered his shame. Hooray! Woohoo! Are you okay, Flippy? I'm fine. Hey kids, you can stop hiding now. Yeah, everybody grab a crayon and let's show that dude some love. Hooray! Hey, I love ice cream. I love puppies. I love tic-tac-toe. Me too. I love cars. I love pizza. I love music. I love bats. I love Daddy. I love spiders. I love skeletons. I love dinosaurs. Gee, mister, I love mustaches. You're looking so lovely. You're the most precious bad guy I've ever met. I love ponies. How do you want to join our comics club? We can all draw together every day. Yeah. Bye-bye, Mr. Munchie. I love you. Come back soon. Hey, Papa. It looks like love won. Love got lucky. Well, you know what they say about luck? It always runs out. Ha ha ha. What are you guys gonna do now? Papa, I think this is your battle. End of chapter 11.